Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a well-equipped 2013 Audi A6 Premium Plus Quattro. Stock number Z8127XA. 134,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Ice silver metallic in color. The A6 is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Rear seats are also heated. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Spacious trunk. The wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean. You'd never know there's 134,000 miles on this Audi. This Premium Plus has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof. Large, easy to read gauges, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, heated leather wrapped steering wheel, great for those cold winter days, large display screen for all of the vehicle's features, customized drive mode, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, navigation. You can connect various media devices, radio, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control along with heated front seats, automatic transmission with manual shift capability, control for the infotainment system, storage in their armrest with direct iPod connectivity, lots of storage space in the glove box with all the owner's materials, overhead auto dimming mirror, moonroof control, and home link transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this A6 has a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 211 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 20 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 30 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this A6, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.